Hi. So we decided to do a random live, and why? Because our movie Gamanam is coming, and I'm with my director
Hi.
Sujana here, and so we thought, why don't we do a fun live? It's just random, and we might just add random people, and yeah, maybe my co-stars from the movie also will join. And we also have Baba Garu. Baba, come, please come.
Just say hello.
Okay, so that's our cameraman Baba Garu, the most
Hello.
important person here. So let's see what people are saying. Okay. If you have any questions about movie Gamanam, please ask, and we would love to share them with you. My director and me. So Gamanam is a movie which is literally made from the heart. Do you want to say something about the film?
It's releasing on December 10th.
Yes.
So we're all excited about it, and we wanted to share. I mean, like, if you have any questions about the film or anything, please do ask.
I play Kamala, who's a very rooted, simple girl who is helpless in the beginning, but as the movie progresses, she finds her strength, and she finds her strength in herself, and she takes a leap of faith, and she becomes a stronger version of herself. What inspired you to write, Kamala?
I think a lot of incidents I've come across in my life have actually inspired me to write, but I can't pick one incident and say, okay, this is what inspired me to write this script.
And this movie also has a lot of rain.
Yeah. I think 70% of the movie is shot in rain. It was very challenging, and
It was very
did a
difficult.
lot of hard work.
I had sinus attack. I had bad periods.
Yeah.
And I was shooting in the rain, in the water, and because we're showing floods, the water had to be dirty water. So it was really hard to shoot in that dirty water. Okay. Is anyone else joining us, or you want to be on this live? And if you have a fun question to ask, please do that. The camera of the film, Sunil Bhaiya, like the camera of the film, camera work is done by Gyan Shekhar sir. He is just amazing, and every frame looks like a painting.
Yes.
It is just out of the world.
Gamanam movie hit avalani korukuntunam. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. And Ilayaraja sir has given music for this film.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's something.
Oh, he joined.
Yeah,
You can add him.
Oh, how to add? Shiva, can you send request?
Yeah, can you please send a request so we'll add you? We'd love that. Yes. So you're gonna add one of. So this film is about like 3 stories which kind of intermingles, and
Hi guys, what's up? How's it going?
Random live ever, but I thought let's do it.
I know. I think anything that works for the film. So yeah.
Yeah. Tell me 5 things you love about Sujana and 5 things you hate about her.
Well, yeah, 5 things I love about Sujana. Yeah, she's extremely focused. She loves her actors. And to her, I think cinema is more than anything else. And she has some really nice taste in good food, man. I think if you really want to eat some good food, you should take her out. And and the other, probably the 5th thing would be, I think it's quite hard. I think she loves it all way too much. So yeah, I pretty much love everything about Sujana.
Anything you don't like about her?
Yeah, I think she's a little too picky with it. So I think at the end of it, sometimes as actors, I think we tend to see that on set. But yeah, I think when I see the final film, yeah, also too quiet. That is true.
She's just too quiet. I'm like, talk, like communicate. But when she does, it's from her heart. It's amazing. How was it working with Baba Sir for you?
So for me, I think that was the best part about I think the entire film. I think I really loved working with Baba Sir. So
Not that
I mean,
film, not that you have a factor, not that
but
thing.
I think coming from I think just being the second film, I think I was a little nervous about how this whole thing is going to go, and just working with someone so calm and so positive was it just felt so reassuring to be on set. And yeah, I think and I just love the way how how he's so simple on set, and he just doesn't try to use lighting or anything. It's just mostly how as natural as it can get, and I think that magic really shows on screen.
Yeah.
I was so unwell. I had the worst sinus attack. I couldn't breathe, and I was shooting in this cold water. And he would make sure that everything was done so quick and so well. And he was just amazing. Like, I loved working with Baba sir.
Yeah. Also, the water sequence that I had towards in the film was also like super exhausting.
I was underwater.
Yeah. I think all of us. I think the two of us have that in the film. So where in the end where I'm stuck underwater.
The part about watching this live that we both haven't seen the movie, like you haven't seen the film.
And
I hate you.
But no, I think I think it's I know how it's gonna go. So I'm still waiting to watch the final version of the film. Though there have been some changes after I watched the film.
The name?
Priyanka John.
I'm just trying to get Priyanka on the line.
Can't find her.
So how is it that we are sharing the screen space with Raja sir?
Yeah, for me, he's a legend. I love his work, and I always have.
I think with some technicians, you have these dreams that, someday you want to work with this person. So I never had that with Ilayaraja sir, only because I knew that it was never going to be possible. I thought that was something that's never going to happen. And then, but yeah, that came in as such a pleasant surprise. So when I agreed to do the film, I didn't know Ilayaraja sir was doing the music. And so yeah, when I saw his name, I think it's just a blessing just to, have a Maestro Ilayaraja musical on a poster that has your face on it.
Yeah. Amazing. Best part. I mean, he does such, like all the films we've done, he's done are such amazing films. And it gives strength.
I think his experience with music is probably definitely more than my age for sure.
He's just timeless.
Yeah, and it's so beautiful that he can recreate magic with music at any given point, and it just could be the simplest of the situations on screen, and the background music is just so beautiful.
My mom is sending me hearts and unicorn.
Oh, I have to tell Neerja Saranji that when I first came to narrate the script, you were also part of it, and there was a moment where I couldn't speak anything anymore, and Shreya was not able to talk. You broke the ice, and
and I was silent when she was silent with each other. I had tears in my eyes, and we both are like
not talking, and she just.
I think this is something that I've heard so many times from Sujana, where she goes like, the moment I went to narrate the story, she was just sitting there wearing a white shirt, and that's when I knew, this is my Kamala. But yeah, I think it's beautiful how much of emotion is packed in this film.
Yeah. I mean, it's how did you? For me, I have a strong connection with this character. I feel Kamala kind of belonged to me, belonged to her. So even when I'm stitching, I could relive my mom's memory. She loves stitching, or let's say Ajawad. Yeah. Or when I was just, it's just the journey that she takes, my character, and how she becomes strong.
Hey, Priyanka.
Hi.
So there you go. We have the entire cast here.
Yes.
Hi. How are you, Shreya? Congratulations.
And like this random. Congratulations to me. What congratulating me for?
Radha. Yeah.
Oh yes, oh yes.
You
Harshit,
could talk
congratulations.
about
She's
everything
adorable.
and not even spit a word about her. Come on, you spoke
Exactly.
to
I
her
mean,
ass and
Like that. Like she's my everything
such
to
a
me.
such a beautiful, pleasant surprise for all of us.
so next time when I'm meeting you, I want to see her pictures at least before you put it out on Instagram.
I'm not gonna do that. No. She's just so precious. I mean, she's adorable. I mean, when you see her picture, it's just oh my
Yeah.
god.
Me and Shiva was like, really? She's us. She did not even she has a baby.
Yeah.
Super
I'm-
adorable.
I was
Yeah.
so exhausted all the time, like literally like I'm doing night duties and then, at work when I have to work and then I lose weight, so just run to the gym. Now I'm so happy. I'm so glad that I'm back to what I was before pregnancy. So it's brilliant.
That's
And-
nice.
That's awesome.
You always look fab anyways. It's never like you
Thank you, beautiful.
fab.
So before you, I was just talking about how Kamala is very close to my heart and how well connected I feel to her. You said somewhere that you felt you're very close to your grandfather, like
Yeah. So
life
for
too.
me, I think I think the major motivating factor for me to do this film was so the moment I heard the narration, there was such a beautiful emotion between me and the grandfather in the film, and a lot of that I think I could trace that back to my own memories with my own grandfather, and so I was super attached to him growing up, and so yeah, I think that was the moment I heard the story. I said, you know what, I'm doing this film, and yeah, so it was instant.
How cute! And what do you find very connected to? Yeah.
So I think me, the voice is breaking, so I'm
I said, how do you connect to your నువ్వు character? ఎట్లా నీ క్యారెక్టర్ కి కనెక్ట్ అయ్యావు అన్నాడు.
not అర్థమవుతుంది సుజనా.
So I thought start it.
So the thing is, initially I was not connected. I was just told it's a Muslim role and you got to look like this. So I thought maybe it's a different experience for me to look in those hijab and wearing all of that. But I think after 4-5 days of shoot, I didn't know when this character sort of creeped into me. And Zara just refused to leave me even after months. Even after months we finished the shooting, I used to ask Sushna, how do I get rid of her? For your selfishness, you made me behave like her. But you pulled me out of her. Then she told me, like, think about her childhood. Why are you thinking about what would the future unfold for her? I think that sort of helped, but it sucked the life out of me for sure. That's what the story did for every one of us. Like, even
Yeah.
before we realize what it is doing to us, it has done its part and it has left.
Yeah. No, it's a beautiful character and you look lovely. Both of you look really lovely.
Look,
Thank you. And
you look so good. My mom is like, Shreya never looks so beautiful. How come she's looking so good? I think you
It's
should.
Baba. His Baba.
Yeah.
I don't
Yeah.
yeah,
think-
yeah. I think the magician behind the lens. I think he's made us all look so good in the film.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
a
what-
major part of it goes to him.
Yeah, and what I love about his frames is that every frame literally looks like a painting. Like he frames it like that.
And it has life.
Oh yeah.
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 సో సాయి మాధవ్ గారు డైలాగ్స్ అది ఎలా ఉంది మీకు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్?
Heavy duty.
Oh yeah.
He used to give us like garam dialogues on the set.
Right.
Garam.
There were few days, instances wherein he could feel like, okay, this is what he wanted, and he would just write then and there, and we used to find like, oh my god, how intense it's going to be. Like he's writing the dialogue then and there, like we don't know
Yeah.
how to.
So a
When
lot
he
of the scenes, I
thought-
think he brought in so much of a depth to even the smallest and the simplest of the things, and I think it was only possible because he was on board. And I love how he can just switch his writing styles from like a commercial film to saying something so artistic and so beautiful. Yeah, I think he's definitely one of the biggest assets for this film.
Yeah. And I love the costumes. Aishwarya did a great job.
Yeah.
Yes.
What do you think?
Oh yeah,
Yes. And
Yeah.
we look super authentic, so
Yeah. Everyone looks like rooted and real. Are you
Yeah.
honestly?
So yeah, I used to watch a lot of cricket. So I didn't really get the opportunity to play cricket the last couple of years. That I was away from India. But once I got back, so Sujana wanted me to look super, super authentic, and so she made me sign up with a sports choreographer for the film, and we trained for about 2 months before I actually shot. And the best part about that is, yeah, and I think the best part about that is I think cricket stuck with me.
Actor of support, you're part of.
But no, I think so. I think that's the best part about it. Like cricket stuck with me even after that, so it's good.
But we heard so much about you, and there was phase where I could get insecure that why Sujna loves Shreya so much. Like, love her. What is the
So
thing?
that was a daily
Yeah,
point of
even if
discussion
I do
between
something,
Priyanka and Sujana.
yeah, even if I do something, now she say, Baba Shreya used to do something like that, no, like so similar, no. She used to just remember see you in all, like on the set. Shreya this, Shreya.
So
Oh my
so you yeah.
We did a song for Baba and used to trouble him. And again, when it is shooting, like I'm a very silent person. No, she used to just break me and oh,
I feel like you don't talk. I'm not going to set, and then when she opens, she really does. When she talks,
Yeah.
hits you hard. But you
yeah.
just have
Apparently, she told me that you used to make her hug her every day, hug you every day, and before you guys start the shoot.
You know, it's very funny. I mean, I remember once when I was shooting with Nag, he said, just keep saying in your head, I love you, I love you. Just keep saying, I am happy, and it makes it work. And then I read books, I did Vipassana, and I kind of realized, I mean, that's what I love to dance, because it creates in your head. So hugs are actually the best way to create happy hormones. One of the very strong way to create happy hormones.
Nice.
Yeah, so I actually used to go and hug her and tell her, just smile, just laugh, and go to act. Then, we do it.
Yeah, at times like
Nice.
asking her like who is your favorite character. No, not even for a formality. She would take a second. She'll be thinking she's supposed to act at least. She'll think no. She's like straight away Kamala.
Yeah, she's like Kamala is my favorite character, no matter what. She's not even nice to us that way. She's straight up about this.
I love every character.
But every character is a brainchild.
I love every character.
But I think this is the first time she's saying it. She's always always saying Kamala is her favorite character. So
Also, I think she started with Kamala.
Yeah.
So by the time
He also says that.
Character for so long, it kind of becomes your second nature. You start seeing yourself in her.
And for Kamala character, the preparation because Kamala cannot hear. మేము ఇయరింగ్ ఎయిడ్ స్కూల్స్ అవన్నీ ఉంటాయి కదా పిల్లల్ని ట్రైన్ చేస్తారు అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి వాళ్ళతో అంటే వాళ్ళకి చాలా యాంగర్ ఉంటది హ్యాపీనెస్ ఉంటది హౌ మచ్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ దే హ్యావ్ టు కమ్యూనికేట్ అవన్నీ వాళ్ళని చూసి అంటే we would interact with them and all that and then
we went with a very strong we went to a deaf and dumb school and I wanted to get their anger but I also wanted to really bring their strength that strength they have which is stronger. It's in their eyes. I mean, they're so strong. They have, you say sixth sense, I think they have so many senses which are beyond us. And the way they talk with their eyes, the way they read your lips, oh my god, I mean, I was blown away. I have a cousin who's deaf and dumb too. So for me, it was very, it was important that I play it well, you know?
Nice.
Shreya, always you have been doing like really big commercial films wherein you're supposed to be acting in a certain way where it touches the meter for the film which is required. And maybe for us it's very new that it was second film where for me. So maybe it was easy for me to just understand a different style of acting because I don't know any other way. But for you have always done like massive films, and for you to sort of convert into this kind of a role and forget everything, forget the little things that you have learned over the period of so many. Was it like a difficult thing, or it was a conscious effort, or you just got into the character and the character made you do all of that?
Yeah, Garunda loved Kamala and everything just kind of followed me because I think that's what it is, right? You fall in love with the story, and then you fall in love with the character. You do for the love of it, and I think that's how you do every role in your life. Like when you're on set, you're a certain way. When you're with your father, you're a certain way. When you're with your co-star, you're different. When you're with your brother, or when you're with your boyfriend, you're a different person. And I feel that one person, even in that one character, is who you are. There's so many people, and so I think we're capable of so many people, even being one person and one character.
Right.
And so for me to do Kamala, I felt it was just me. I fell in love with this girl, with this role immediately. It just happened. And I feel, and after a while, you just learn to be different characters. It doesn't matter if it's commercial or it's not. Yes, there is a certain different way of working in a very commercial film, but I think you look lovely. You look beautiful. What are you talking about?
No. I'm saying like the way you
like absolutely you do.
Yeah.
No,
But also, I think especially when for a star like you, I think it's not very often that you actually go out and probably interact with people. But I think the way you just carried off Kamala, being so grounded and so rooted and real, I think that itself was, I think, the best part about the film was that. And I think all of us who watched the film, I think that was the single best takeaway from the film.
Was there any part where it was difficult for any of you? Like, oh God, this.
Go on. The rains. I mean, Shreya, what to talk about?
Okay, I announced it publicly because I don't care. I had periods when I was shooting that. Okay? Yeah. This is my page. I can talk it. I can say.
I think she took up awards now, like at least amongst this. Like, don't have such terrible experiences.
And
though.
It was tough. Hard, but did it because it was, and I had signed. But it just looks so real and beautiful what Baba has shot and what he's captured.
Yeah.
And
I think it's all worth the effort when we go back and watch the film.
Because my dupatta gets torn, so we were always confused. We're like,
got into water, then I mean, like, I was looking in a screen. I was like, no, this is not where her hand gets cut. And again, she had to come back. Again, they had to shoot the same thing, and it was deep under 12 feet. There was camera in the water down.
And Baba is like, go down. He said, but you're a diver, you can do it. I said, Baba, that's very different. I just don't know how to dive.
In a sari.
He said, 1 second.
In a sari.
You're a diver, but you don't know how to dive? I said, a deep sea diver is different. Here I'm diving like this. He said, but in deep sea diving, I dive like this. Like, what are you talking about? Hilarious. How did you do that sequence?
So for me, I think so it was mostly like a controlled thing where so there's like a van, it's like a small like a pool kind of a setup. But so the first day was actually fine, like it wasn't such a problem. But from the second day onwards, there were about 10 to 12 people in the same pool of water. And so I had to basically go down all the way and then come back up. And every single time I did that, so yeah, I had to like swallow a little bit of water. Like a lot of water went into my eyes and ears and everything. It was horrible. There's 10, 15 people standing in that pool, and yeah, I still had to do that. It's nasty.
Don't tell me you peed in the water. Did you pee in the water?
No, thankfully no, because I knew for a fact that I was gonna go back into it. So.
But in the last dive, did you pee? You're like, I don't want to go in. I did. I did.
But yeah, did you do it? Because how come you?
No, I never in the pool. Never. But yeah.
But yeah, I think it's all worth the effort. So.
Sujna used to make me run in the rain, like this non-stop running, entire second half running in the movie just in the rain.
Did you ever slip?
No, but the chappals, like, once it rains, it's all very slippery, and there's so much of chipko. I just hated it. I usually love monsoons, and thanks to Sujna, I started hating it after that, especially for that period.
And the river people don't understand it's really hard, because just when you get your emotion right, there won't be raining. Yeah. It'll be raining, but at the back there's no rain. And we're like,
What? You got to open your eyes and the emote.
Yeah, and opening your eyes is the worst
Space
part.
for me to open the eyes. I can't even. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm doing.
There used to be a lot of love sequences in the rain, you know, and at
Yeah.
least now it'll make you kiss and be done with. But then you have to say your lines, but baby, I love you. Your eyes are going like, and your eyes are going like only.
I remember this one particular scene with Charu Hassan sir, and it's raining, and then he's also standing
Yeah.
in a lot of water, and he's pretty old, and it was getting late, and I had to get everything right, and I'm not able to open the eyes. It was scary for me. There's one more shot because of me.
No. I mean, yeah, but
Actually, I think everything's looking good now.
Yeah.
yeah, you guys look so beautiful, both of you. So lovely,
Thank
so
you.
fresh. Both of them, Kara.
Yeah.
And I love the close-up they've used for you both. It's
Yeah.
really
Yeah.
I think whenever you are on the screen, I'm waiting. Even while I'm watching the songs, I'm just waiting for your pictures to come in. Because
No,
I want.
So I don't know, but this is kind of interesting that Andre is coming to see the film, and he's never seen
Wow.
any.
Oh, nice.
He's only seen 2 of my movies, and that too on like.
You're coming to say
This is awesome.
Yeah,
Radha is coming. No.
no, she can't. I mean, no, I don't make her fly for a day or two. So
Okay.
yeah. But anyway, what will she do watching the film? She'll be like, hey,
Be with me, though.
yeah. I mean, I'll go meet her in Bombay. Andre is coming, so
That's awesome.
all that you're saying is better be true because he's watching the film.
Watch the film. That's what like.
No, I think it'll be beautiful.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, I hope it's good. You want to take up any few questions because we've spoken enough of every scene.
I have a lot of Shreya fans.
Yeah, I think I just wanted to see if there's any questions in the comments.
It was so random to do this. Thank you for coming, but it's just that
Only you could do it, Only because of you, we have also come because we know how
Yeah.
fun you can be at times. Like when Shreya wants to do it live, I'm like, who? Shreya. Then I was like, okay, we're not getting away with this. I wanted to do this.
thanks a lot for joining. All the questions are very random. They're nothing.
How was it shooting in live locations for you all?
Best part, no? What do you think?
Just like
Yeah, I think so too.
yeah.
Especially interacting with the crowd.
That
in,
is a
like
set,
couple of
but
spaces.
live location is really authentic
Yeah,
and
yeah.
it's also
I don't know where did you shoot because I shot in a basti, and so they had small by lanes, and it felt so real. It felt like
Yeah.
yeah.
So Priyanka and I, we shot at a place called Kukat. I think we shot in Kukatpally and Manikona. These small lanes with in a proper Muslim household, and so we had the chance to like talk to so many other people around, and every single person had one story to say. But so the thing that made us the happiest was that they said they didn't know that we weren't actually Muslim. So some guy just randomly walked up and he's like, "Why are you talking in Telugu?" And I'm like, bro, we're Telugu, and yeah, it's something else. So that felt super nice. So
Yeah, that
yeah,
happened
it shows
to
that
me.
we fit in.
wow, that's
Yeah.
great. And for your eyes, you used a little bit of kajal because they look like really strong and so.
Yeah.
We had
So
for him. Yeah.
yeah, that was instantly logged on the first day of the look test, and so the moment we tried to do some kind of an eye makeup, and so I walked out and Sujana said, "Yeah, this is perfect." So that's how we locked it.
And you carry it so well. It's really hard for a man.
Thank you.
And it was funny for me to watch Shiva applying kajal, looking into the mirror. And I would just make videos for fun, like, oh, this is so great.
That you also wearing this big kajal eyes.
Yes, with the lens and all, like, yeah, they wanted.
Eyes alive. I mean, they look lovely. They looks really beautiful.
Yeah.
We don't really have too many questions, which we could
Everybody's
start.
like all the
They are just saying all the.
But I think we answered like,
Best.
most of the questions that people could have had. So
Yeah. And we could open a Gamanam internal appreciation club right now.
yeah.
True.
But I hope the audience watching the film on the 10th feel the exact same things that we just did. So
Hope they come, because I just went to PVR, and then PVR people told me that they are making a huge effort. So everything is sanitized, and
Awesome.
everything anyone touches is sanitized. Everything comes wrapped, and they're making sure everyone is safe. So PVR is super safe to go and watch a movie right now, guys. So please watch this movie in theaters or any closed theater that you have.
Bookings are open now.
Bookings are open. You can
Yeah.
book a ticket on Book My Game, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
yes. And we have 3 days to go. So December 10th it is.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Finally.
On December 10th, Radha turns 11 months old. Time
Oh,
flies.
wow.
Wow, that's awesome.
Wow.
She's January 10th. Yeah. Yeah.
Where did you hide her, Shreya? It's still surprising. How? After Kylie Jenner, it's only you.
I had to be. I mean, there's so much going on. When I was in Barcelona, I was alone. COVID, we were so scared. Announced, but Gamanam poster was coming out, and I wanted to keep the focus on the poster. And then COVID. A lot of my friends were not doing well, and the second wave, I lost a friend. And then she was born, and it was really hard. And then to do everything, just me and myself. We were exhausted all the time. And then we came to India, and I got a little breather, and I decided now I'm going to lose talk about it. And so I had these thoughts, and I told Andre, the day I can fit into them, and I am talking about it. And one evening, I'm like, oh, and he's like, okay.
Okay.
That's awesome.
Yeah, we shot this video like late evening. We're like, what do we do? How do we sue? How do we do without? And we just did it. Yeah, that was it. I announced on also, and that was it. And yeah.
Yeah, the name is also, it's really good. Like,
So when we got to know it's a daughter, and I always wanted to have a girl baby. My mom said, "Oh, Radha Rani is coming," and Radha literally means happy in Russian.
oh wow,
Oh wow, nice.
that's like both.
Yeah. Both the grandparents are very happy because for them it's Radha, which means happy, and Radha also means happy in Sanskrit. So it literally
Wow, nice.
means the same in both the languages. So
Yeah.
yeah.
That's wonderful.
Yeah. I really hope I really wish this movie does well.
Yes.
I hope.
And I'm sending you both lots of love. You both look amazing.
See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
This
Yes,
is what-
we'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Those two kids are so cute.
Manu and Manu.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
So cute. Yeah, he gave me a flying kiss, remember? The little one.
Yeah.
Smart.
Like,
Okay. And send you a lot of love to you both. You both are such amazing, adorable actors, and you guys look so lovely. Thank you, Sujana,
Thank you.
Thank you for
Yeah.
bringing
Thank you
us
so
together.
much for doing this.
Thank you.
Part of Gamanam.
And thank you for joining. It means a lot.
Our pleasure.
Yes. Hope all of
See
you.
you.
Guys go and watch Gamanam on December 10th.
Yes, guys, please watch the film on December 10th.
Everybody
Near you.
watch Gamanam on 10th of December, and the theater closest to you. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Save it.
Okay. Okay, should let her leave.
Save.